The train at
Platform 6
is the 11:54 a.m. Silver Meteor service to Fredericksburg.
will be calling at
Barry, Sanford, DeLand, Deltona, Lake Helan, Lake Mary, Lake Monroe, Casadega, Orange City, Alachua, Worthington Springs, La Crosse, Forest Park, Morrow, Lovejoy, Rex, Stockbridge, McDonough, Ellenwood, Hampton, Jonesboro, Conley, Easley, Condestey, Greenville, Piedmont, Malden, Timberlake, Bahama, Stem, Rougemont, Putner, Goldvein, Ruby, Somerville, Hartwood, Garrisonville, and Fredericksburg.
This train is formed of
11 cars. First class accommodation is at car D or at the rear end of the train.
all reserved seats are on cars
E, G, H, and J.
Platform 6 for the
11:54 a.m. Silver Meteor service to Fredericksburg. The